Hey guys, thanks for checking out our how-to video series. This one we're going to talk about the stove and how to use it. I did put the sticker here, please lift glass before cooking. Some people think you could just cook right on the glass, but actually you just need to go right underneath this lip, lift up, and fold this back, which opens up the burners. And say you want to use this big one right here, you look at the, obviously just like a normal stove, turn it on, and then you click that to the right, and that will get it going. If for some reason this doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't like to work, I don't know. You know, it's a camper. Just in this drawer right here, we do have a lighter that you can use. So you would just turn this on and then light with your lighter to get the flame going. So that's how you use that. And stove, pretty much same thing, turn it on. This switch here turns on and off these lights. And that's it. Let it cool down after you're done, and then replace the glass so you can use that.